what was your dad's background? Was he involved in, I'm assuming he was involved in the plumbing trades to some degree before he started it, or was this his first go at it?
So this was his first go at it. He was previously he was working on the container ships in Greece. When he came over, he also got into the apprenticeship with Local 2 at the time in New York City. And he did his apprenticeship, turned out, kind of did the same route, and then decided to go out on his own and start Delphi.
Oh, that's awesome. So he's absolutely kind of blazed his own trail.
Yes, 100%.